Hey, if you're someone who is running Facebook ads in 2026 to sell your digital products like ebooks, courses, digital program, or any kind of online offer, but you are seeing bad result after the update. So in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you need to structure your Facebook ad campaign that can improve your ROAS, decrease your cost per click, and make your campaign profitable. Using the same strategy, me and my clients are getting great result in 2026. So hi guys, my name is Udit. I'm the founder and CEO of 7 Marketing Company, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can do it step by step. It's not a rocket science. You can do it. You can exactly copy and paste same structure, same strategy. So let's go to the white screen and I'm going to show you how you need to structure your campaign and make your ads profitable. Alright guys, so as you can see, now I'm going to show you how most people run meta ads. They set up a campaign, alright, and they will create one ad set 1, alright, or maybe two ad set 2, alright, and in each they will have one ad, either it can be image or video. Alright, so here a lot of people get confused. Should we keep multiple ads? Should we keep one ad? Should we keep multiple ad sets? So in this video, I'm going to show you how you have to structure it. So for example, if you have a product, alright, product for, let's suppose, we are talking about low ticket product. So let's suppose your product is for $17, alright, $7, $9 or anything. Or if you're in India or anywhere, similar pricing, alright, low ticket pricing. Now the best campaign structure should be your campaign here. It will be for sales. It will be for sales. Now how much price you should keep? So whatever your product price is, multiply by 3. So 70 multiplied by 3 will be, so around $51 should be ideal price for your campaign. Alright, if you want to get good result, you can of course run for $17 also per day, or $21, $30, but if you want nice result, you have to multiply by 3 and have the campaign budget like that. And we will do campaign budget optimization, CBO. It means you will keep the pricing here 51. Alright, now you will have multiple ads sets, and multiple means you should have around 4 to 5 ad sets, alright, and each ad set. So ad sets are basically there to divide your audience, what kind of audience you want. But with 2026 update, Meta automatically detects who are your ideal customers. So you don't have to do a lot of targeting. You don't need to do a lot of things. If you're trying to do, it's going to give you error. All right, it will show you that we already take care of all this. So you can avoid creating lots of ad sets. But I'm going to show you both way how you have to do it. All right. So let's suppose ad set 1, ad set 2, ad set 3, ad set 4. Alright, so before 2026 update, how we used to do ad sets, how we used to differentiate ad set. We used to have different locations in each, right? In each we used to have different kind of audience, different targeting, different all that. But now after the update, you don't need to do all that. Alright, so how you are going to use ad sets basically. So the best thing that you should do that bringing me great result is have different kind of angle. For example, if you are into fitness coach, if you are running campaign for fitness program, all right, so have multiple ads and have different angle of ads. All right, so for example, this first campaign can be video ads with maybe outdoor shoot. All right, this can be video campaign, video ads, indoor shoot. All right, indoor videos. All right, so like this, like studio. Next you can have image ads with product or with your model or whatever. Image ads you can have, maybe with only text, right? So there are different kind of angle. You have to keep testing different kind of angle, and if you need all this into a structure, how you have to do it like a PDF, you can get it in the link down below, or you can visit gettopclients.com, and there we are going to provide all that. All right. So after this, you're going to have, let me choose some other color. Yeah. So in each angle, in each ad set, you will have 5 ads. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, connecting with this each ad set. All right. Similarly, you have to do it for each. So 5 here, 5 here, 5 here, and 5 here. So total you will have 5 into 4 is equal to 20 ads running for $51. So once you will start doing strategy like this, once you'll start testing like this, so in 3 days you will start seeing which ad set is performing better, which ads are performing better. So first of all, you should start disabling the ads that are not performing well after 3 days. All right. And once you'll start finding your winning ads, you should keep duplicating that. You can duplicate your campaign and only keep that ad sets and that ads. So once you will start doing this, you will see your ROAS will start improving. You will see lower cost per click because you are giving a lot of data to Meta to test and get you better and better clients. All right. So this is the best structure that you can use in 2026. If you want practical example how you have to do it, how you have to turn it off, when you have to turn it off, I'm going to make more detailed videos about that. So for now, I think that should be it. If you have any questions, you can let me know in comment down below. If you want to work one-on-one with me, you can visit gettopclients.com. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.